Hello everyone, my name is Daniel from Jodoo. Today I'm gonna share the customer cases of how they use Jodoo to digitalize their manufacturing and production processes. And let's dive in. Uh, in the manufacturing and production sector, the tech stack of our clients typically includes at least an ERP system or a financial system. Some of our customers have a HR system in place, and these systems are designed to manage various aspects of their operations, from inventory management and order processing to financial reporting and human resources management. However, while these systems are comprehensive, they often fall short in certain areas. One such area is tracking of production processes. An ERP system, for instance, may not provide detailed visibility into every step of the production process. This can make it difficult for businesses to identify bottlenecks, monitor productivity, and ensure the quality control. This is where Jodoo comes in. Many of our customers have found value in building additional modules in Jodoo for production tracking and equipment inspection. These modules provide a more granular view of the production process, enabling businesses to track every step in real time. For example, the production reporting and tracking module can be used to monitor the progress of each production run, track the usage of materials, and record any issues or delays. Uh, this can this data can then be analyzed to identify areas for improvement and increase efficiency. Similarly, the equipment inspection module can help businesses to maintain their equipment in optimal condition. It can be used to schedule regular inspections, record the results, and track any necessary repairs or maintenance. This can help prevent equipment breakdowns and reduce downtime. By integrating these modules with their existing systems, businesses can create a more comprehensive and efficient tech stack. This not only enhances their operational efficiency but also gives them a competitive edge in the market. So, in this part of our discussion, we will look at a specific customer case to illustrate how these features can be used in practice. So this customer, a manufacturing company, was previously using paper-based form for tracking equipment repairs. This method, while traditional, has several drawbacks. Uh, it was time consuming, as employees has to manually fill out the form and then input the data into their system. It was also prone to errors, and handwriting can be difficult to decipher, and manual data entry can lead to mistakes. Furthermore, it lacked real-time updates, which meant that the status of the equipment repairs was not always up to date. So, recognizing these challenges, the customer turned to Jodoo for a solution. They want to digitalize their equipment repair and maintenance process to improve efficiency, accuracy, and real-time tracking. So with Jodoo, they were able to create a digital form for equipment repair and maintenance. One of the key features they utilized was QR code scanning. Each piece of equipment was assigned to a unique QR code, which could be scanned using a mobile device. This allowed employees to quickly and accurately identify equipment, reducing the risk of errors. Once the equipment ID is scanned and entered into the systems, Jodoo's data linkage function automatically pulls up the complete equipment information. This includes like crucial details such as the model, status, and the grade of the equipment. The information is linked based on the unique equipment ID, ensuring the accuracy and consistency. The automatic linkage of data eliminates the needs for manual data entry and searching, saving valuable time for the employees. It also reduces the risk of errors as the information is directly pulled from the system without any manual intervention. Moreover, query data function allows for the real-time update. As soon as the equipment ID is scanned and the most recent information can be displayed. This ensures that the employees always have access to the latest data, which is particularly important for tracking the maintenance history and the current status of the equipment. But the benefits of Jodoo didn't stop there. The customer also want to receive the notification whenever they have the task in the Jodoo. They want to receive the notification on WhatsApp. So they also integrated Jodoo with WhatsApp. Whenever a new repair task was received, a notification was sent via WhatsApp. This ensured that the tasks were promptly attended to, further improving the efficiency. The integration process begins with setting up the connection between Jodoo and WhatsApp using Zapier, a tool that allows different applications to communicate with each other. To do this, you will need Jodoo's API key, which is a unique identifier that allows Zapier to access your Jodoo account's data. Once the setup is complete, you can create a Zap that triggers a WhatsApp notification whenever a new task is created in Jodoo. This is done by linking the new task uh, event in Jodoo to the send message action in WhatsApp within Zapier. Now, whenever a new task is created in Jodoo, Zapier will automatically send the notification to the designated WhatsApp number. This notification will include key details about the task, such as its title, description, and a URL link to the task in Jodoo. So when you receive the WhatsApp notification, you can simply click on the task URL to open it on your mobile device. This takes you directly to the task in Jodoo, where you can view more details and take necessary actions. This seamless integration allows you to handle tasks promptly, even when you are on the go. So, in conclusion, by leveraging Jodoo's powerful features and integrations, the customer was able to digitalize their equipment repairs and maintenance processes. This not only improved their operational efficiency, but also enhanced their accuracy and real-time tracking capabilities. This case illustrates the value that Jodoo can bring to businesses in the manufacturing and production sector by filling the gap left by the traditional approaches, uh, such as paper-based sheet and manual reporting. Jodoo provides a flexible and efficient solution for digitalizing the production processes. So this is my sharing today. Thanks for your attending. If you have any question, please raise in the comment.